In 1.5 cup of warm water, add 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, give it a good mix and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until the bubbles arise. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good whisk. Add 3 cups of whole wheat flour and just mix it up. Once the dough starts to come together, knead it properly. Once you've kneaded the dough properly, cover it with plastic wrap and set it aside for about an hour because it has to rise. Once the dough has almost doubled in size, take it out and cut it into 4 pieces. Press it down into the shape of a pizza base. You can even roll it out with a roller. Once you've rolled out the pizza base and folded the edges, transfer the base to a pizza dish. Spread melted butter over the base, the pasta sauce. Now put the cheese on top. Top it with any kind of veggies or herbs that you like. Now we have to bake it for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius and the pizza is ready.